from the Temple of Heaven. It's a madhouse. Drum tower. Wow. Off to the bell tower. Beautiful Beijing. All of our food is here. International tea and tea ceremony exhibition. We're at Sam's Club. Wow, right guys? She's 5. High five for a 5-year-old. High five for 7.5-year-old. Happy Sunday!
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, Levi! Happy Sunday! That's because there are so many. Yummy! The kids' favorite cheese corn. Wow, huge. It was built in 1420. So beautiful. The number of people just doubled, it seems like. People are just pouring through those gates there. It's a madhouse. Hi from the Temple of Heaven. It's crazy here. Note to self, don't come on a weekend afternoon. But it is beautiful. Time for some Temple of Heaven ice cream. Mango strawberry or chocolate. I'll have the tea flavor because I know you guys don't want that.
Trying to deal with the big melts there.
Hi, we ventured out again. We're by Hohai Lake, the drum tower and the bell tower. So we're gonna explore, get some lunch. Not quite sure what we ordered, but this has peanut sauce in it and it's actually quite good. Are you ready to go on the Hutong?
Yeah.
Get a selfie.
Right here?
Yeah, right here.
Okay. At the drum tower. We got tickets. The kids are actually free. So these are mom and dad's tickets. Top of the tower. Whoa. Can you see anything, baby? Just the trees? Okay, let Appa try. Thanks, Oppa. Baby couldn't see. High five, Oppa. Awesome, Oppa. Do you see anything now? It says press the right button. Now we're off to the bell tower. Wow, we found an artist painting the bell tower. Beautiful. Gonna go explore the Hutong now. Pancakes are here. Oh, it smells so good. Oh.
Are we going to a fan shop?
Yep, gotta follow Appa. Stopping to look at some shoes.
Kids have been bugging us for a fan ever since we got here.
That's so cute. Lots of cute little cars. So we gave up on our walk to Hohai Lake because it was too far and those little streets were too crowded. So now we're on the back streets trying to find a way out. And there's so many beautiful scenes. Like, look at this. Look at this. Look at these little trinkets hanging there. Saturday and we're going on another exploration adventure. Levi brought his cool Chinese fan.
I forgot to bring mine.
Okay, no worries. Next time. Just got out of our Didi and I think we're going to try this restaurant. Whoa.
Oh, I touched the water.
Wow, we're on the second floor. This restaurant is huge. Our first dish has arrived. Braised pork. Next two dishes, veggies and pork ribs. All of our food is here. Woohoo! Enjoy, guys. Want some rice in there, buddy? I'm enjoying our first dish. It's so good. Phoebe's loading up on the broccoli. We love brockers. We're back at Solana. We came here our first night when it was raining. Now look at the weather. It's so pretty. We're back at Mocha Bros. This is also where we ate the first night we were in Beijing, guys. This is what Levi wanted. It smells so good. This is where we're gonna have dinner tonight. We stumbled on this hot pot place. It looks really good, but it's incredible because it's a huge restaurant and we're the only ones here. There's literally no one else here. It's such a beautiful restaurant. Raise your hand if you love hot pot. Yay! Woo, we killed it. That was so good. So pretty. Aw. How was dinner, guys? So good, right? This beautiful entryway, and happy to report there are more people eating here now. We just apparently always eat dinner a lot earlier than everyone else. Here we are today at the Beijing International Tea and Tea Ceremony Exhibition. Hey guys, ready to learn about Chinese tea?
Yeah.